Hey people, it's your girl Kutlwano aka Sky Goddess. I have my beautiful girl here and my charming man here. They'll introduce themselves.
Charming man.
Yeah, charming.
Charming man.
Yes.
Charming man. Charming man, man. Okay, sure, fair. It's okay. So charming man. You know what it is? It's your charming man. See us one of it too. I'm back at it. Sparkling water. Yo.
Ayakbilisa.
Bega, like angazi ukuthi okay, for what purpose are we doing this thing?
I saw you kakuhle sana. Progressive people molweni, it's your beautiful baby uneliswa Nelly Kells.
Yes.
It's Nell's cheese curl.
Yes.
Nyantsake ngoyena kwazi ibiza kakuhle. Nell's cheese curl.
Nell's cheese curls, bro.
Yeah.
So my progressive people, we are here. We just have something very nice to discuss with you guys. As you guys know, we are going to the month of Othando.
We are.
You can even see with the shirts. We are inspiring this whole thing of Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
So let's get to it, guys.
I'm a Valentine.
Okay, before
Valentine.
Before we get into this Valentine's thing, okay, as Kulmanicanis, right? If Valentine's there's it's gender based Valentine's buffet, so I'm not gonna lie to you.
Why is it?
Tina if Valentine's bro, ingandlula nje ngathi Sunday nje Sabbath or Saturday Saturday, yeah, whatever the case, whatever the thing is. Tina ngaliandlula nje ngathi kwenzakala next. And the worst thing is this. We don't really even get none of these. Did you think so the tie?
I see.
There's a lot of people who celebrate that thing, hey? There's a lot of people who actually who meditate upon it, who are like, Yabona December, baby. February, you better make sure you have a plan. Yeah. You know?
You meditate only because you are getting the gifts.
Yeah, we are the benefiters at the end of the day.
You know
why? It's because it's a historical thing. So there's this nigga. They called him Saint Valentine's, right?
Nigga again, okay. Did you get the present? Wait, did you get the present?
Listen to the story, right? So Saint Valentine's, guys, he did this thing whereby he was freeing prisoners. There's a lot of stories, but the first story is that he used to free prisoners.
Prisoner.
Flowers. It was an act of love.
Okay.
One.
Let's hear the story. I want to hear it now.
Number two was that there was another guy, I forgot his name, Muluda Van Ross. But then that guy was like, because we are at war, and people, men that are married, are not supposed to be at war because they are always distracted. Yeah. So now I'm going to come up with a law whereby no man is going to get married at all. Saint Valentino at uyanya. It's basically a Roman Catholic thing.
Yeah.
Even worse.
And they took the Valentine's thing from his name.
Yeah.
Saint Valentine's.
Yeah, and it was was he in jail? Was he working with prisoners?
It was part of the war.
That's one of the stories because there's a lot of stories, right? Yes. Yeah. And the second story is this one, whereby Begashat disabantu underground because of that law.
Okay.
So
Akshat. Yeah.
So now he was doing an act of love. It's a
white man.
So I mean, of course.
Okay, we were slaves at the time, right?
I mean.
Okay.
So Begashat and things like that. So it was an act of love. And Luther Van Ross but to hell with that nigga Zombulal and Wambulala 14th February. And then on that day it was like, because this nigga died because of love, then this day will be celebrated.
So
every day.
Guys,
it's like, think about it this way. This motherfucker was doing things out of love.
Yeah.
You know?
Wait.
So when he died,
love to who?
For the couples, good
No. But
he was a lover of love, just the concept of love.
Everyone is a lover of love. right? Even
but at that time,
even at that time, a lover of love loves love.
Yeah, boy.
Whether mina ngifuna ukunderstand ukuthi prison, war, death, love.
There's love.
Shoot ngamagama nithi ke shoot in very simple words.
Uyabulala
Nizonya lo Nimbulala ikhwama manje ke nizofa ikhwama.
Yeah, so
It's
that's
this
how it came
love
about,
thing.
this whole Valentine's
Yeah.
thing. And
But why are we
Christmas
celebrating it? Because
we're
for,
celebrating.
okay, for example,
we are celebrating
Yeah.
ukufa komuntu basically.
Mamela.
That's actually what's happening.
Mamela ungathi kufa
Think
komuntu.
about it.
Ithi kufa komlungu. It's a white
lento
person's death.
So
It's-
now
if
that's
it
what
was
we're
a black
actually
person,
celebrating.
if it was a black person,
That's actually what
It-
we're celebrating. Someone's
yeah.
death.
Then why are we?
Sinxusa yona,
Ethanda
athanda,
uthando.
yes.
Okay.
Oh
They
wait.
like advocate your
Oh
time.
god damn it! So Nina, is you the one that's getting presents? Nisilele yena ke lo mfolo.
Hayi kodwa siya
U-Valentine's.
wena ukwi-relationships ezinjani? Kaloku i-Valentine's na the way I know it. Uyakunika
Wangi-expose makancane.
Nami ngiyakunika.
ngoku le one way yakho
Yes.
wena u-exposed entweni
Okay, okay,
Michelle.
wait. Angikhulumeli for mina, ne? Me, I'm an advocate for my niggas out there. Ngiyacabha nabo. There's a lot. There's a city in
Uyaphuma siya.
a city.
Thela nina.
Romance.
Siyangiringa ivar mfethu.
Romance.
Sharp. Siyavuma project angiringa ivar. Ngiringa amanga mfethu.
Sufuna audience
Okay,
that's what?
okay, sharp. Asibeke so. In 100% of women, right?
Yeah.
And men, 20% of niggas get presents on
Yeah,
Valentine's
of course. It's not about you, nigga.
Day. Moment.
They not about you,
Oh,
nigga.
so-
I'm not back to
No,
differ.
that's literally the whole mindset or concept of
Yeah,
Valentine's. It's like you have to worship us even more now.
Why?
That's the only day that you like, you know what, today you're not gonna tell me about your stress, your what. It's all about me,
Bro,
nigga.
ngiphuza sparkling water
Hayi
man.
Yeah.
ayikho-feke
Uyabona ukuthi impilo yami
Yeah.
inzima. Ngoku njengoba ngikhuluma nawe ngiphuza sparkling water.
Yeah.
Hayi ukuthi ngithanda ukuphuza sparkling water mina. Ukuthi nje impilo yami inzima nje vele kuyabheda. Bese after lapho wena ufuna ama present.
Yebo.
Mina ngithenge i
Ne-foreplay the whole day.
jo. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
Okay, in terms of i-foreplay ke
Yeah,
yona ke
that's
both benefits kwelo cala ke, come on.
We
Yeah,
Yabona on
yeah,
that
yeah.
day.
We can
on
go
on that
deep.
day, it's all about me. Foreplay
We can go
yami.
deeper in
It's-
that relation.
Yeah, I know. I brought it very, very quickly.
Yeah, we
So
can go
can I
deep.
ask, when Sky, do you celebrate Valentine's Day?
No, I don't. To me, it's just an ordinary day, honestly, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, to me.
Yeah.
No, you know why
Easy.
I was saying that when
Done.
I was saying what I was saying, I just know
Yeah.
the mindset of it. Hence why I
Okay.
don't celebrate it. Because
Okay.
it diminishes
You were once.
it diminishes
Now you are rehabilitating
motherfuckers,
yourself.
You bros. You know?
It's
so
a re-
I don't get it. Like honestly, like 365 days. On that one day, that's when
Yeah.
you say, baby, I love you.
No,
Let
nah,
me show you how much
I don't
love
think
you.
Yeah.
it's like that, but it's just like, okay, ifana noba family gatherings, they don't happen
Yeah.
all the time, like
Yeah.
iminenkulu yazo where everyone comes
Sure.
from whatever province
Yeah,
you are in. It's
true.
on Christmas.
Yeah.
So it's not that bad, anithandana okanye you're not family at that time.
Yeah.
So I also feel like Valentine's Day is also ihamba kanjalo. It's that one day
Yeah.
othi everything is about just about me appreciating you. Yeah, I appreciate you even kwezinye imini
Yeah.
during the whole year.
Sure.
But that one specifically is just for us to umsebenzi ezinye izinto uzibusele back.
Yeah.
We're just dedicating ourselves
Yeah.
to this day.
Yazi mina engivela neValentine.
Yeah.
iValentine, Easter, Christmas. Zangifana because we're celebrating white people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And as Tina Nagula, we are stressing ourselves with buying gifts. Whereas,
Yeah.
Asibek, for example, in fact,
Yeah.
I bought you a gift last week,
Yeah.
Yeah.
right? If Valentine's is the next week.
Yeah.
So if it happens, good like gift leon kuthengele yona last week. When Valentine's, imali yakhona ngisenayo. I'm the worst boyfriend in the whole universe. Because now abanye
Yeah.
post on Instagram, I have flowers. And bear in mind, especially in this time that we're existing
Yeah.
now, abanye basithengela ama gift. Baposte kuma status
My man
ngathi
did this
my
for
man
me.
did this. Kanti
Yeah.
umuntu usithengele
And
that
to
gift.
be honest, ne, another reason why I don't celebrate Valentine's, it puts you in a very awkward place with yourself.
Yeah.
Like because now Mawubheka social media, everyone is like,
Yeah.
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 you know, and then when
It's a
what's
pressure.
wrong with me? Like you keep asking yourself silly questions. What's wrong with me? What's happening? Like I have to do this to get this to look like this to be part of this.
Yeah.
You know?
I get you. I get your point. So in preference to personal.
Of course.
Yeah.
But
yeah,
okay
definitely.
guys, make singene like just be
Emathandweni.
like make singene kuyo, let's say
Okay, before singena kokugcina
Oh.
ne,
Yeah.
I want to ask you
Yeah.
a
Yeah.
very straightforward question, right?
Yeah.
What is your best experience in Valentine's or your worst? Or what is it that makes you be a Valentine's
I've
person?
never had any experience. Now personally,
Yeah.
I don't celebrate Valentine's
Yeah.
Day, but I
Yeah.
do understand abantu abayenzayo
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
basuka. So
Alright.
for him now, I even forget about it, or it's either ngqabene,
Yeah.
or I'm single. Like it
Yeah.
has
Oh my
never
God.
come to
Yeah,
a
yeah,
point
yeah.
where I figured it right.
Yeah.
Painting us with
Yeah,
another
well.
picture.
But again, I understand. Like now, I'm talking. Yeah, but I understand about the way they come from with it. But
Yeah.
me personally,
Yeah. Yeah.
it
Just
can be
another day.
Valentine's any day. I
Imbi,
choose to.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
But ke ngoku make siyithathe siyiseni because abantu abaninzi they do celebrate
Yeah.
Valentine's
Yeah.
Day. Side sanxiba nangoku
Eh,
to
vele,
represent
you know?
the day.
in the
Yeah.
spirit of it.
Wena
Anibahle man. God damn you.
thank you.
Thank you.
God damn it. Ngikhiphe nishama face asibona. Yeah, madoda.
When ideal Valentine's Day bunothi binobanjani if ever you were that person okanye
Yeah. If I
Yeah.
were that person in my fantasy,
Yeah.
Hey.
I really would like a weekend away. Ne? First of all, uyangilanda. Ne? You open the door for me. Like I wanna feel like I'm in a movie, bruh.
Okay.
You get? Yeah.
Sure.
Rose petals on the seat. You know? When I sit down, I have something
Hey.
to sip on.
Hi, madoda.
You know, like
yeah.
the whole thing. Angifuni lang eliwan. That's the thing. Ish mina ngiridi.
Where
Ngifuna the whole weekend. Yeah.
It's about you.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So
Then when
okay, so it's-
akondo inikezayo and there's nothing of you.
I'm the table.
Yo, mindset enjani? Yo, when our country is going down.
You know,
That's
Like-
my honest truth, guys. Like,
that's my
honestly,
problem with
that's my honest
Valentine's
truth.
Day.
Yes.
You hear that question was so
Yes.
nice and straightforward, right?
Yes.
What is your
Yes.
ideal,
Yes.
right? And the ideal is based on her
Yes,
alone,
me
Yeah.
alone.
no one else.
Yes.
Mina mama ngibuza.
When what's your ideal? See,
My ideal.
Yo.
Isanas.
Ngizomzama ngeflower. Rose. Hayi le fire le. Lawa siwakhaya. This must ngathola lawa
Lawa, yeah.
aseplastikini.
Yeah, lawa
Ngenzele ukuthi
eplastic.
the next 2 years wazi ukuthi ngiyakuthengela flower wena last of last year.
Yeah.
Hey, cup. Ayi wena ukushaya ngecup naleyo nompophi lo omhlophe.
Yeah.
Yabona nompophi lo
Yes, yes, yeah.
Uma 35 rand masihlangene
Yeah.
into lezi.
Yeah.
Asihluphi, right? And both of us we do something nice for each other. Like like you surprise me with something, I surprise you with something.
Yeah.
Outside of monetary value ukuthi
Yeah.
how much this thing was.
Yeah.
Or ukuthi wena ngiyazi ngicabanga ukuthi ngikhuluma ngoba vele intaba yikho, but
Yeah.
it's not the case.
Yeah.
Yona yikho mara ngisho ukuthi
Yeah.
I'm saying this because of that
Yeah.
thing. But
Yeah.
I feel like if we're talking about love, we need to exclude all of these materialistic things, because
Yeah.
at the end of the day, asihlangananga in a
Yeah.
material way or in a
Plane,
material
yeah,
form.
yeah.
Mase kamera nsithi usingqono. Akuna material ipi material umbhede nengubo. Sometimes kuyashisa nengubo sikhahlelele. Yangithola immaterial nje umbhede kuphela.
Yeah.
Yabo namana siwacimile akuna light kumnyama. Yithi no bracket usibukele since it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So eliminating
Yeah.
actually my best Valentine's with us do the most least expensive thing for each other.
Yeah.
The least most expensive, like the least if no more than 5 rand.
Yeah.
Do something ngaleyo 5 rand leyo noma ngangibhayela letter.
Yeah.
Let's just in one day have a day whereby
Yeah.
we don't need to spend much on
Yeah.
each other,
Yeah.
but still exhume love in
Yeah.
in the sense. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Yeah, for me that would be my ultimate Valentine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I ngalokho nami?
When my darling, what would your ideal
Valentine's
Valentine's Day be like?
Hayi sakhala.
Eyamusana, it's us going through a memory lane of memories zethu
Yeah.
what we've
Sure.
done.
Phuma kuphi.
And then
Yeah.
ilamini yoba akekho ozokhalaza bandidiniwe, it's sex all the way like
Yeah.
ewe imizimba yethu
Bengisebenza deep before.
ke kuye kuthetha imilomo ke kuthetha ezinye iiphathi zemizimba yethu like
Yes, baby.
ngehlobo ndifuna ngalo
Yes, honey.
no complaints no
Easy,
Tony
okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
siyathetha siyaphupha yonke lonto so indaba
Yeah.
ye-gifts wethu it will be just the cherry on top
Yeah.
but ibe
Yeah.
imini eyethu where
Yeah.
ungisete
Yes.
Sure.
nami ngiyokusete
Nami ngokusede.
Let's paint the town red with
Yeah.
our bodies, baby.
Sifisa angithi ufuna the whole night, the whole day, the whole night.
Yeah.
Ungidlisa Viagra kanje wona.
Yes,
kaloku zikhona that's why I'm saying ukuthi the whole
Maze ikhipha vele njengokuthi sihle nasana so. Mina nginikeza iViagra kanje. Uyangithola yeah.
uyalifumana siya
In our last weekend, deserve Valentine's.
Good question.
Yeah.
Because now what I know with
Switch off the
Utando doesn't really have ixesha.
Mm.
If it feels like they feel about lo mntu because Utando mostly you look forward to and you
Yeah.
have plans uyanibona
Yeah.
nigowa further so yeah
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Mm.
Ukuthi sihlangane that's okay.
it's all
It's an
Yeah.
interesting, very interesting
Yes,
question.
exactly.
I'm
Mara.
happy you asked that
Yeah,
question.
yeah.
Okay, sharp. If asithi sihlangane last week,
Yeah.
uyanginika impondo this week.
uh,
Nangizwa chance. Ngikhulumela nina mina
Nihlangane
bafethu.
kanjani? What if nihlanganiswe
Ngikhuluma nani
impundu?
chance?
kaloku
That's another way to
because
look at
there are
it. What
many
if nihlanganiswe impundu?
But even I'm sure ukuthi iValentine
That's
asihlanganiswa
another way.
iyakwazi
ngeValentine.
uqala ku-sex i-relationship
Yeah,
yazi
sure.
loo nto
No, no, of course.
Yeah.
so into ezinjalo mani there's no straight answer ukuthi
Exactly,
it depend
yeah.
ukuthi siyayazi uba after sigqibovuka
Yeah.
sivuke
Yeah.
And
You feel
also,
like
are
that.
you guys even dating or is it just a situationship? I
Yeah.
mean,
Do you guys use the 90 days rule thingy?
what is the
90
rule again
days.
remind
It's
me
like-
90 days. I'm
you
happy you
know.
don't even know it. Fine.
it's like
siyayazi
it's like
because I don't practice
like you go, it's like you go on dates, you don't have sex for 90
For 90 days.
Yeah.
I don't
Asibonge. Bafethu mina ngikhulumela nina majezi.
but it's not a matter of for him I don't think ba into i-decision endiyithatha into
Yeah,
ziyaziqhuba
zazenzeka.
Yeah.
Should be
sometimes
organic,
iyakwazi ba
yeah.
ifeel like ba no we
Yeah.
wanna get to know each other yazenzekela
Yeah.
laa nto ba sifuna ukuconnecta more
Mm.
because
So,
sex nayo
yeah.
iyakwazi
So what
yenza
happens?
into
What
i-
happens if now we turn the tables? Me as the dude.
Yeah.
I'm in 90 days.
Type of dude.
Ngiyazi angeke mara sesiyashintshe okay.
bakhona suthi
Ukuthi
angeke
ama Viagra are off stock for the next 3 months.
or kule
Yeah.
celebration yam ndiyibawelayo
Yeah.
then I guess I'll have to wait for next year because I
Yes,
also
yes.
need to andithi nawe uzayicommunicate kum ukuthi wena you're still on the 90-day shit
Yeah.
90
so
days.
into next year
Shandies.
uzofika mos
Yeah. So
yeah,
you
Nam, I
would
would respect that. Hey?
you would do the 90 days.
Yeah,
if
definitely.
uyayifuna wena and
Yeah.
mina ndiyakufuna wena
Yeah,
So,
exactly.
yeah.
Why xwayisa kaningi mawuthi definitely.
Because
That definitely uza ne-terms and
guys,
Eh.
no, I mean that. Don't do I'm serious. Like I would respect your decision.
Put some month, put sparkling
would-
water first.
yima
Who's
ngicela
sparkling
ubuza
water?
i-90-day sex is it
It's off.
intercourse
There's
or
nothing.
Like
foreplay
nothing. Like nothing.
Akho
No
next-
kissing.
Angazi
No kissing,
kissing. I don't know.
Yabona sazi
Maybe-
ngoba we've
maybe
never
there's
done
kissing.
it. You see? We don't know.
Nasenza
ukhona
nama-
waziyo
concept.
nge-90-day nani public comments
We cover
Yeah,
it.
sicela ngisitsheleni guys if
Abayaziyo.
anyone has done
We cover
90
msichana.
days,
Yeah.
please.
so no
Uke
kissing
wayenza?
No, not him. Nah.
Okay.
but uyayazi ngayo
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
do you kiss
yeah. No, you do nothing intimate.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Mali yami uyayifuna.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nengibana nokusa ke dates.
Yeah.
Yeah.
oh really
Engaze
we
ngakhohlela
can't
imali
touch
yami,
we
madoda.
can
None like that. Asikafiki yapho.
Yeah.
Yeah.
90-day rule.
Yeah. Melu ngumele.
3 months.
Yeah.
Like.
Yo.
3
but
months.
la 90 days guys
Yeah.
kwenziwani kahle kahle kula 90 days
Ngiyakhuluma.
where did that idea
Come
Abelungu,
from.
abelungu.
yintoni yayizama urich okanye kakubonakali
Abelungu.
iyamoshakala
Mangami.
Abelungu.
Yeah.
I think in the States,
Yeah.
there's a 90-day rule when it comes to marriage.
Ikhona la show
It's like a
yakhona,
courtship.
90 days.
Yeah, there's
thing.
this 90
Yeah,
days.
90
It's like a
days show.
courtship
Show.
type thing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mm.
Sure.
And I think what in 90 days rule comes from
That's crazy.
a woman, a white woman. Laba babinyana laba yabona.
Yeah.
Abangatopatopi vele. Yeah. Those-
yeah, by next layer.
Yeah,
Yeah,
ukuthi-
vele
And then the 90 days automatic vele. Yabo. So she made a thing yokuthi let everyone else also go through the things that she goes through. Because
nathi savuma sithanda izinto.
asithi kule 90 days asiye etshwaleni asiye kuyophuza. Uzomkhayela kudala lo muntu. Uzothanda usoma.
Yeah.
Because abebuseni uxekile. Okay guys, so indaba ye 90 days
Yeah.
ayisayisusa silandela into
Yeah.
ezingasindawo.
Yeah.
But guys,
Let's move. Sure.
indaba Valentine's Day, to those abayi-celebrate-ayo guys, like go all out.
Yeah.
Your toys if inazo
Yes.
niyazikhupha niyazi-introduce because yazi
Yeah.
now I feel like if I was in a position, because think of it now, maybe I'm interested in sex toys,
Sure.
and then maybe ankayazi ba ndizayizisa njani le
Yeah.
nto, because
Sure.
you know a person could
Oh,
feel
shit.
okay,
Yeah.
I'm not
I'm not
satisfying
enough.
her, whatever.
Yeah, sure.
So
But
maybe
that's
on
just
Valentine's Day,
what
because
you're
lamini
into,
yoba
yeah.
you're into cutie,
Oh.
energy is allowing.
Yeah.
So you just hello baby, chocolates phana uyilahle neza chocolates ingabi
Yeah.
ikhame in
Yeah.
So whoever oyaziyo ba ufuna introduce into enjalo, I just gave you an idea.
It is. So it's dope. Actually, I
Yeah.
like that.
Could work.
I like it because
work.
maybe like you know what now you plan or what on one specific day.
Yeah.
We take our egos outside the room.
Mm.
Immorality.
Akuthelwa
out.
gqithi.
Yeah, immorality out. Mhlambe because nabanye abafowethu abanamakinga ukuthi ufuna umuntu endunu mhlambe
Yebo.
yabo
Now is
ukuthi
the
you know
day.
ukuthi
Manje
Mina-
akakoni kuyisho.
mina nawe
because
baby
of-
one
yeah.
day
Yeah, let's
I
just
my
bring on the
okay.
kinks. Yeah.
Because nyani
We'll
Valentine's
bring
Day
the
is a day of
kinks.
allowing.
Yeah.
Yonke into edibene nothando ke ngoku.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
don't talk
But
much.
I wish that was
The
the
case.
How-
thing
yeah.
or the case
Yeah.
about
But
the
I think
Valentine's Day.
Angithi, all couples are different and we all prefer different things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure there's other couples out there who do exactly just
I
like
believe
that,
that.
what we are speaking
I believe
about.
that.
Because on that special day, baby, bring on your kinks.
Yeah.
But can we
yeah.
also say ukuthi because now we're living in an online world basically.
Yeah,
Everyone is
and
online,
hopefully an
social
open-minded
media,
world,
and-
right?
And especially there's no open-mindedness.
I mean,
It's-
like
Yeah,
right now,
there's
the way
none.
everything is on the table, that's what I mean when
Yeah, I
open-minded.
feel like the open-mindedness
Siyasheka
is,
still, but-
yeah, it's
Yeah.
very it's one-sided in a way
Of
because
course.
someone wants to be open-minded about things that they want to be open-minded about.
but
when it comes to you,
the-
then
yeah.
it's a different
Yeah.
thing. In a way, hypocritic
Then,
at this
yeah.
age we are living
Yeah.
in now. Yeah, because it's just one-sided a lot
Yeah,
of
yeah,
times,
yeah, yeah.
right? So would we say social media enhances the Valentine's Day spirit, or it just gives it an unnecessary pressure, just ruins the whole thing? Because I mean everyone or poster wants to post the best,
Yeah, of
utmost,
course, yeah.
filtered sithombe
Yeah.
sakhona sathe nge-iPhone 40
Yeah.
lengakaveli
Of course,
eshaya
yeah.
isithombe nge-satellite.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what
I
I'm
feel
saying?
lanto yaqala kudala. Oh, you remember
Yeah.
you just
Yeah,
mentioned
then,
something
yeah.
ukuthi abanye they even go to an extent bazithengele
Basithengela
izinto ngokwabo.
ama-gifts, yes.
So
Yeah.
the pressure around
The pressure,
Valentine's
yeah.
Day has
Yeah.
always been
there, yes.
Because seriously, siyaxabana okokoko, but on Valentine's Day,
kula mele
ndivuke
sizwane
ekuseni
khona.
ndiyatexta baby, I'm so
Yeah.
sorry for
all those
Yeah,
all
but-
those days.
because uyayazi ba ulindele
All
le
those
mi-
months.
all
Yeah.
those days and months.
So i-pressure kuyo
Yes.
means not saying everybody,
Yeah.
basekhona abantu aba-genuine about yona.
Yeah.
But i-tricky wethu.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's very
I
tricky.
think also at some point it does like make it a good thing for other couples, you know. Not everyone is like pressured. Well,
yeah.
Sure.
not like literally like everyone
Yeah,
in
fact,
the
fact.
whole world
Is
is
pressured,
pressured.
yeah.
Sometimes abanye, you know, it makes it good for their relationships. It's what
Looking forward
yeah,
to it.
exactly, yeah. It makes it better.
Yeah,
Yabo?
yeah.
So it's not entirely ukuthi social media you know.
Yeah.
Sometimes abanye bathola ama tips khona lapho kulo shaye nge-iPhone what
14.
hey
iPhone
yabona
34.
aerial view what
Yeah.
Yeah.
you know. So
Satellite
some
view.
people get ideas from even social
From
media
that.
itself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying Goti it's entirely bad,
Yeah.
right? And to find that kind of content, I think you need to dig a bit deeper because social media is not a real place, and people put their best foot forward in the thing and or feel the pressure thereof to put whatever image that they want to put. But to find people that are actually real on the thing, Guti, actually, my Valentine's Day flopped. Not because
Yeah.
Untanga did this or that, whatever the case may be, but because both of us we were in a space whereby
Yeah.
we couldn't celebrate
Yeah.
the thing.
Yeah.
But it doesn't mean Ugutukas is the worst in the whole universe.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, Untanga does the things that needs to be done.
Yeah.
And he treats me like a queen.
Yeah.
It just didn't happen in this particular Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
If I yenzakalanga manje and you find your friends are posting in the whole thing and now you're born under the pressure, they would actually my Valentine's Day was shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you're like, but
Actually, it wasn't.
it was not.
Yeah.
Actually, maybe niphumile because mhlawumbe untanga bekasebenza on the day.
Yeah.
Because he still needs to grind.
Yeah,
You know what I'm
because
saying?
it's not a public holiday, right? It's just
Yeah.
another
No,
day.
yeah, it's just
With
yeah.
the history ka
Yeah,
yomlungu.
Saint
Lingamla.
Valentino.
I think we need to kind of, this is just a personal perspective.
Yes.
Let's kind of try to move away from being caught up in these days that had not meant for us
Yeah.
and we have nothing to do
Asazi
with.
ne-meaning zayo.
Yeah, because look at it, like we are really celebrating amadlozi wabelungu, guys.
Hey,
like
madoda.
siyaba celebrate sibashisela nama incense
Yeah,
yangithola
wena,
ama
cause
candle.
i-death yakhe la 14.
Exactly, you know.
Akushaya nomqombothi kushaya iveve.
Ah, imake
Ayi.
When you think about it, like in like wayihluza kahle.
Yeah.
That's what we're actually doing.
And what if it's satanic, guys?
That it's a
It
fucking
is.
cult, baby.
Ikhalt litlama le.
And then mnandi busy apha dreaming ukuthi smash and
Wena,
Yeah,
hey, kanti vele
Yeah, wena.
amadimoni le.
Itikelo shomlungu
Yeah.
itikelo shaka Valentine
Sokuhlasela, ibhontshisi.
eyomlungu.
Hayi.
Yeah. Yeah. Saint Valentino sekafikile ngamasimba uthi
Ufikile.
nje yazini bhonyelwa no.
Wena ucabanga ukuthi ukuhlepula mina kanti I'm just
Hey,
chilling
yeah. Kanti busy no Saint Valentino.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
What if Valentine's means to you? And
Yeah.
right, so
Yeah.
we're not taking that away from you. But
there. Leave the thing.
Yeah.
Leave the thing.
Yeah.
Me I'm taking it away. Leave the thing. Leave the thing. Ngisifaka nama pressure ngekho. Thina mfethu we are black people.
Yeah.
And we experience and show love very differently.
Of course.
And in order for us to be able to understand each other, we need to be
Yeah.
able to express love within how you and I.
Yeah, speaking on that
You know what I'm
term,
saying?
right?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna dwell on romance, right?
Okay,
We were speaking about this actually the other day.
sure.
Uguti, like Tina, we view romance as in like the movies type of romance.
Ewe.
Oh,
Yeah.
he's gotta open the door for me.
Yeah.
He's gotta, do this and that, run in the airport. Baby,
Yeah.
baby, I love
Yeah.
you. Oh,
That's called less- I was doing as a backstage,
Baby,
ufuna ngigijimele
I
airport.
love you.
I was
You
giving
know,
the pass,
isn't that- And then if you don't do those things, those expectations, you're fucking
Yeah.
not romantic, nigga.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, like you ain't shit.
But I can't jalo, guys, nyan.
Sure.
Because the reality is far,
Yeah,
far,
But-
far,
but-
and far
different
better
from
than
But
that.
I'm just
yeah?
saying,
Way
there's
far
a lot
better
of
than that.
us
Yeah.
who believe in that and think that is the only romance there is.
Yeah.
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 But akumandi sana uba nezangqondo kodwa like in your head. But okay, it's good when you know by zezangqondo.
Why did you just do that?
Ukuthi iphela khona lapha.
Bengifuna uqhubeke ngawo mnandi.
Ukuthi imicabango wakho nomnani.
Our time is
And the craziest thing about that is that Tina niggas, we don't really think about those things.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Me and I'm fit. As long as you are here, Mafethu, advocate for me, my bros. As long as you are here, impundu semoyeni.
Ow.
Phela mfethu.
Oh,
Phela
yes,
Brookies.
yeah, yeah,
Wangishela, wangiphekela, wangishela,
Yeah.
ungethela breakfast, ngithola. Noma yini lewe nokwazi ukuyipheka. Hayi isibindi okay, ngiyazi
Hawu,
kunabantu
Nkosi
isibindi. Takataka yabo.
Hamba.
Siya but just anything that you can do,
Yeah.
it's the thought that counts the most
Yeah.
with niggas.
Yeah.
That's what I know. right? As a nigga,
Okay.
it's a thought that counts. Just as long as you thought of me
Yeah.
on a particular day,
Yeah.
that's what I love about you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm grand.
Alright.
Ukuthi that thing costed keep how much budget you had to pay or whatever.
Zezethu,
Yeah, those things don't really
Yeah.
matter.
Yeah,
So
but-
I think I would love to hear from
Yeah.
you
Our
guys out
viewers,
there,
yeah.
our viewers. Now umsiyana mhlawumbe masiphuma la we
Yeah.
can further discussion
Yeah.
yabuya phambili. Mhlawumbe
Yeah.
ungayikhuluma nemedia yakho endlini ukuthi actually what is it that we are talking about if
Yeah.
we're talking about Valentine's or a person being
romance,
romantic or
yeah.
romance
Yeah.
or love itself? Good, how do
Itself,
we
yes.
actually speak the love
Yeah.
language itself? You know
Yeah.
what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I hope that we are as genuine as the days that we celebrate about
Yeah,
these things
of
and
course.
with each other
Yeah.
in the whole process.
That's
we
true.
speak the same language.
All right.
That's it for me.
As you see, as by chilo by comment sections zezenu to
Yes.
get your views
Yeah.
out there. Nispigisa abanye azphikisa
Yeah.
and agree
Yeah.
if you do.
Yeah.
Until next time, guys.
And also makhona abasingile phakathi kuma-comment ukuthi usingile khona omunye mhlawumbe
Yeah,
naye
uzothola naye ku-comment
naye
section.
uyamthola
Oh,
usingile
yes. Yeah.
Unatshonaphi na?
Yes,
I mean,
we are
yeah,
progressive
let's
like
do
that.
this.
Siyakuthanda, guys.
appreciate you. Hey, ngicela la manzi ningasawa lawa manzi wona lawa hayi god